Yes guys, welcome back to Petrolhead TV and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're just going for a POV drive. The truth is I took about a week off work just to have a little bit of time off, have a little bit of rest, recuperate. I also work like 70 hours a week, plus doing videos like this. Normal car features take around 10 hours to edit, so I do put a lot of time in, and I just needed time to relax and just recuperate and reboot myself. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say a massive shout out to all of you people who've subscribed to the channel. As of today, we're on like 530 subscribers, which is absolutely fantastic. So if you could all carry on the momentum, we should reach 1,000 by the end of the year, and that'll be absolutely amazing. So yeah, don't forget, there's possibly a new car incoming in the next few months, if all goes to plan. So I'm probably going to do a few little vlog days and try out some different cars. So please let me know your opinions in the comments down below. Again, if you aren't subscribed to Petrolhead TV, join the family. Click subscribe below. You won't be disappointed. I've got many more car features coming, and yeah, some amazing content to come. So yeah, let's get into the video. Well, if you did make it this far into the video and made it to the end, I just want to say a massive thank you to you. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button if you did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you are new to the Petrolhead family. This isn't what I usually do. I usually do car features, but I want to do more on my own car. The modifications will start soon, I promise. And also, there's going to be a new car, as I'm sure you're all aware of. So let me know down in the comments below as well what you think I should get. I'm also going to do some vlog days. So the video you're going to see after this is probably Jap versus German meet. I'm going to just do a little vlog day. And then after that, the car features should resume. And I will have an update on Elliot's Audi R8 V10 coming soon. I apologise, it was supposed to be this week, but there was a delay in parts. So yeah, we'll catch up with Elliot soon, and trust me guys, the R8 is something you don't want to miss. So yeah, don't forget about the thumbs up, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon.